Hi guys, Ms. Perkins here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 4, Lesson 13. In this lesson, we're talking about being able to use counting on and the making 10 strategy when adding across a 10. So that means we're not going to be making a new 10, we're just going to be adding some ones to another number. So looking at this, we have 23 plus 6 equals blank. So we're going to have to figure out what this is. Now, we're going to be using two strategies, like we said. We're going to be using counting on and the making 10 strategy. So we're going to use the counting on strategy to double check our work. Okay, so we're going to start with our making 10 strategy. So the first thing we're going to do is that we're going to break apart the two-digit number. So we know it's 23. So we're going to break that apart into our tens and ones. Well, we know that whenever breaking apart our tens and ones, it would be 20, then 3. Okay, so now, looking at this, is how we're going to add our ones together. So we're going to add 3 plus 6 together. Okay, so now 3 plus 6 we know is 9. So 3 plus 6 equals 9. I'm just writing it down here just to where if you're getting confused how I'm circling the 3 and the 6 to make 9, I'm making it into a number so that could be more familiar to you. But these are the exact same thing. Now, we're going to be adding our tens and ones together now, which this should seem a little bit familiar to you because we did do this at the very beginning of the year, but it was just with smaller numbers. Now, looking at this, 20 and 9. 20 plus 9. Well, we know 20 plus 9 is 29. So we know that we added 20 plus 9 to give us 29. So now let's double check by counting on. So what we're going to do is that we're going to put 23 in our brain. So put 23 in your brain. Every new number that we say, we're going to add a note. We're going to put a finger up for. And we're going to count on 6 times. So we're adding 23s in your brain, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So, yep, it is 29. And we're going to use our place value chart to fill it in with our answer. So we know that 29 has 9 ones and 2 tens. So we know that 23 plus 6 equals 29, which is 2 tens, 9 ones. Alrighty guys, that's it for this video.